Well, today's the award ceremony for the D&T challenge, and we're here to collect the prizes and meet all the other winners. I've won a 3D printer for my school and £200 for me.
Well, I'm the Chief Executive of the Aluminium Federation. We're really pleased to be co-sponsors of this event, and we're really pleased to see the effect that it's having on rolling out the awareness of aluminium for young people.
Our reason for launching this D&T challenge is to make more people aware throughout society of the sustainability and recyclability of aluminium in all its various formats.
They were actually given a task where they had to go away and research aluminium, so it was good to see pupils actually being so enthusiastic that they wanted to do that.
The first person is Amber Bextor from Notting Hill and Ealing High School. Amber designed a mechanism to clean and to crush aluminium recycling, not only in the house but in the business. But you also had another good idea, because you said it could be different colours.
Yeah.
For what reason?
Well, it appeals to different people, and if it fits into a certain environment, people will want to buy it more and it'll have better publicity.
Yeah, Amber, you did an excellent job. Well done. This one is in the Vehicle of the Future category. Jack Armstrong Williams from Blundell School in Tiverton.
I really loved this challenge. I thought it was really fun. I did it over my Christmas holidays, and I was always on the computer thinking of new ideas. I designed a car that has to be sustainable. Mine was an eco car, which kind of used a linear induction motor, which is like, if you can picture a normal motor unfolded on a road, and you can put these into tracks that run along motorways.
You designed a car of the future. I know the people from Jaguar are really impressed with what you've done. Clearly you've looked at the brief, you started your design, you've gone back to the brief, and you've kept it very focused. Well done. Team Award. First one, Built Environment, to the boys from Alva Academy.
I had to be inspired by nature and made from aluminium as well. We get more ideas from working in a team than on our own.
With the boys, I knew that they were away home at the weekend and they were getting together, and they were getting together at night time. Even the parents were talking about the work that they were doing.
Next up, it's the winner in the Built Environment Award, Hannah Beckett from Mill Hill Prep School.
It's like a round bit like that with the top of the popping pod used as a rain collector.
Well, it's just fun creating things.
Yeah, I enjoy like the creativeness about it.
Be free of mind.
Where did you get the inspiration from?
I went to the loo and we have a vase of dried flowers and seeds in there, and the poppy pod was in there. And I was like, Mum, this is it, this is what I'm doing.
What surprised me is the ingenuity and the design acumen of these young people, their ability to spot something like that young lady in her bathroom and turn that into a design, and that's really encouraging.
And you'd gone about the design of the aluminium struts and extrusions in order to carry the weight of the water in the roof.
Aluminium is incredibly strong.
Indeed it is. Well done.
We have a programme which we call Novellis Neighbour to support and develop maths and science education for children. This competition is a perfect fit for us, for something to support. Because it also encouraged them to look at aluminium as a product to use or as a material to use, it was absolutely perfect.
The first one, a highly commended Built Environment, was Patrick Chorley from Charterhouse School in Godalming. Original features, eye-catching, and I thought the whole presentation you gave was incredible. That's very common with aluminium, to use it to transfer heat either into something or away from something. And this award goes to the girls from Stephen Hurst Foundation.
We made a garden building out of aluminium, so it was like a flower shape, and it was curved.
We entered it because we were doing a club with STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics kind of thing. And we had a range of competitions to choose from, and this one looked the most interesting because we could choose the projects that we needed to do.
One of the things I really enjoy about the secondary school students, they draw in such an uninhibited way with such sort of brio and vitality. This year I was also pleased that there's a team category. It's actually groups of people that make architecture, with engineers, with manufacturers, using a range of materials. Hannah Beckett draws in a much more lyrical way than young Jack, who won the automotive section. He draws in a very sparse, analytical way. You can really see the quality of thinking.
I've been inspired by today. It really is inspirational to hear young designers of the future talking about what motivates them and what has driven them about the competition.
Today I loved Jack, who designed the car, and he was so passionate about it, and I think this is an opportunity for kids to shine.
I was particularly impressed by the one girl who talked about the fact that she'd researched what she was going to do, done a huge amount of research on the internet, and actually the inspiration was a poppy. So it was something that was around her all the time that inspired her and gave her the ideas, and for me that was amazing.
What's more important is what the young people have learned about aluminium. And you know, it's wonderful, at that age they're like sponges, they absorb so much information. Even if just a few of these young people here today choose a career that uses metals, that uses manufacturing or in design, then we've done our bit.
I'd encourage many more schools to enter, because I think this sort of competition has an element of the real world about it, and I hope that more of the state schools have time to do it.
They really are the designers of the future. You see youngsters like we've seen today who hopefully can help us to start to regenerate manufacturing in this country.